Guys, if you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I will be sharing with you my easy and delicious peanut butter chicken recipe. For my peanut butter chicken, you will need a half a cup of peanut butter, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Knorr chicken powder, half a cup of chopped peanuts, 2 pounds of chicken breast cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of a cooking wine, a half a cup of water, salt and pepper to taste, and oil for frying. The first thing you're going to do is take your Knorr chicken powder and put into your water and mix well. Now we're going to mix our cooking wine and our soy sauce in with our water and Knorr powder. Now we are going to add our 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're going to mix that well. We are going to add our half a cup of peanut butter into our sauce. Then we're going to mix this well. Now that I have this mixed well, I will set it aside. Now we need to put some salt and pepper on our chicken, and this is just to taste. Now that we have this mixed well, we will set this aside. Now we are going to turn our eye onto a low heat and put about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in the bottom of our wok. Now that our oil is hot, I will add my ginger and my garlic in my wok, and I will saute this for 30 seconds. Now that our ginger and garlic have sauteed for about 30 seconds, I'm going to add my chicken into my wok. And I'm going to brown my chicken for about 10 minutes, turning periodically. Now that our chicken has some nice golden brown color to it, we will add our peanut butter sauce. And we're going to mix this well. Now we will let this simmer until the sauce thickens. Now that our sauce is nice and thick, we're going to add our half a cup of chopped peanuts into our chicken. We're going to mix this well. Now that our peanuts is mixed well, it is time to plate. I've paired my peanut chicken with some egg rolls, some broccoli and some rice. If you want to give your family a delicious and easy meal, you should give this recipe a try. They will love it, I guarantee it. Don't forget, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment down below what you want to see me cook next, and before you leave, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.